Hello everyone! For today, we're going to cook adobong chicken gizzard and atay. For our main ingredients, we have gizzard and atay. And then to clean the gizzard, nilagyan ko lang siya ng asin. So I don't know if everyone is doing this, but this is my way to clean the gizzard. So wash it well with water. So in my case, 2 beses ko hinugasan ng mabuti. So typically, we have adobong atay, but this time we are going to mix it with gizzard. Not really fan of gizzard, but since requested ito ng aking asawa. So yeah, let's do this. So yan, let's start. Let's divide the gizzard into 2 or 3 parts. Of course, we will need onion, bawang, and of course, ginger. So just a backstory about me, I'm not really into cooking. So yung nag-asawa ko, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-cook. But eventually, I have learned how to love cooking. So yan, since ready na yung sangkap natin, let's start cooking. So in a pan, naglagay lang ako ng cooking oil. Then I started with the ginger. So isaute lang natin yan until it's golden brown. Then next yung onion, of course. So next we have garlic. So saute them until they are golden brown. Next, let's add the gizzard. So yan, minix ko lang sila together ng mga sangkap. Sige, budburan natin ang paminta. Naglagay din pala ako ng kaunting pampalasa. So ayan, after ma-sear yung gizzard, dinagdagan ko na siya ng toyo. Konti lang muna yung nilagay kong soy sauce. So later on, kapag matabang pa, we'll just add some soy sauce. So dinagdagan ko na siya ng water so that lumambot na yung gizzard. So allow it to boil. At yun nga, may pa-zoom ang mommy. So tinakpan ko lang siya para mapabilis yung paglambot ng mga gizzard. Chili is just an optional ingredient, pero since mahilig kami sa maanghang, we'll add sili to this. So idagdag na natin yung atay kapag almost cooked na yung chicken gizzard. So let's add yung atay once half cooked na yung gizzard. So late natin idinagdag yung atay kasi mas mabilis siya maluto kaysa sa gizzard. Allow it to boil hanggang malambot na yung gizzard at yung atay. Nilagyan ko din ng oyster sauce itong ating adobong gizzard and atay. So dagdag pampalasa pa ito. So ito na, para maging mas malasa pa ang ating adobong gizzard and atay, nilagyan ko yan ng Sprite. So nilagyan ko ng 12 ounce ng Sprite and I will allow it to boil. So inantay ko lang siyang matuyo yung sabaw and look at this. First time to cook this, but definitely all I can say is perfect pang ulam, perfect pang pulutan. Happy eating everyone and enjoy! Please follow my page, Mommy Friends, for more. Bye!